Hi there, Steph Bilal. Today I am going to share my success story about Alternative Home Pros project. What I did, I designed this website, did the color scheme, the slider about specialties, okay. The categories on the home page, the members in a slider like this, the properties, feature properties as well, newest classifieds, image slider for the featured businesses who are paying you some extra, and finally the footer. So this is the classified is displaying here, so that I scrapped, okay. Search result page, I did some quick searches like this one, so they can select any of these two. They can select all states or Alabama only. They can select all home services, they can select rating, etc., and search for the button. So that's how they can search the businesses from here as well. These are the classified that I scrapped and uploaded in the website. And then what I did, this is a join membership plan page that I designed with monthly and yearly functionality. Some of the work was done by the previous developer, but these custom functionalities are done by me, etc. Yeah, I also did a little on-page SEO for this website as well. If you want to get help with your building directories, WordPress, e-commerce, Shopify website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Thanks so much.